guys, today I'm going to be playing another game about dirt bikes. Dirt bikes are the best. Oh yeah, I'm destroying this kid. Why is my butt like that? Oh my god! Oh yeah, I'm destroying him, Oh yeah, he's getting cooked. Oh yeah, he got oh, what is this? Oh, let me turn this thing down. Alright, what is this? Oh, equip now, thank you. Wait, the speed is better. Alright, equip now. Okay, alright, let's do the next one. Wait, who's this? Where's me? Oh, I'm in second place. Yeah. Whatever. Okay, next. Okay, need a faster ride? No, I don't need a faster ride actually. Oh yeah, this is so OP. Actually, I'm not gonna do a backflip. Oh, bro's gaining on me. Oh, never mind, he's cooked. I have some experience on dirt bikes. I still won, didn't I? No! No. How did he get away from me? I have to catch up. No, wait, what's this? Oh my god, what the heck was that? Come on, I have to catch up to him. No, dang it, I lost, bro. That can't count, bro. That can't count. Okay, no, I guess. Alright, that cannot count, bro. That actually cannot count. That was a foul start. Yeah, he cheated. Yeah, he made me do the jump wrong. He threw gasoline at me, so yeah, I flinched and then, yeah. He threw gasoline at me, so it doesn't count. Now bro's getting destroyed. He threw gasoline at me. That can't count. Yeah, bro got crushed. Aced. Ninjutsu. No, I don't want to watch no video. I said no. What? 441? What? Wait, where's number 441? Okay, I don't feel like doing that right now. Slide over. Okay. One out. Slide away. Go. Hello. Are you gonna start? What the heck? What is happening? Oh, that's what I thought. I had to click it, guys. Sorry. Sorry for the lag, too. My internet right now isn't really the best. I will say that. But that was easy. Oh yes, I get a better bike. Sorry guys, I have to watch this ad. But why is he still going? Alright, I'm watching this ad. I'm gonna try and cut it out, but if I can, I'm sorry, y'all. What the heck? What is taking so long? Oops. Okay.
Closely.
Oh my god.
At a workhorse with power to take on anything.
Yeah, that car looks nice. Not gonna lie.
The Ford F-150.
Yep, that's too expensive. That's way too expensive.
Only at your local Ford stores.
$1 per month is
it's
better.
Time to see Ford in a new
light.
light.
Oh yeah, that's way too expensive. Oh yeah. Oh, yes, I'm gonna win every single race now. What the heck? I think that's a bonus win. Not right now. Beat 5 career tracks. Here, oh yeah, this kid is getting cooked. already cooked. There's no coming back from this, buddy, bro. I hate to say it, but it's just the truth. If you can't handle the truth, then I don't know what to say. Lap 2 of 2. And guys, if you're wondering how I'm so good at this, it's because I have some dirt bike experience IRL. Backflip! Oh yeah, that was crazy. Oh, backflip. No, I don't want to watch a video. Bruiser? Why is his name Bruiser? Okay, yeah, bro's stupid. 276. Okay, that's the easier way to get there. 276, 276. Okay, we're in the 100s. Where's the 200s? 276. Where's 276? Okay, we're in the 200s. 276. Why is my name Risk Clip? Bro, these 4, me. So, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's me. Why's my name Cross Scrub? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 people with the same exact thing. Why couldn't I just be in the front, man? Rapid fire. Oh, dang. Take cover. Everybody take cover! Oh! Bro, if you get shot, it's not my fault. You better hurry up, bro. Oh my god, sorry for the lag, guys. Well, if it's even laggy on your side. But on my side, it is so laggy. Oh, why do I bend like that? Why do I bend like that? Backflip! Oh shoot. I think that backflip slowed me down. He's gaining on me. Oh wait, never mind, he's not. I would never let a noob gain on me. I should have tried to do a double there. But I still won. Let's go. Watch a video. Okay, I'm gonna try and cut this out, guys. But if I can't, I'm sorry. Shut your mouth right now.
Learn more than ever at Ancestry.
I said shut your mouth. Okay, thank you. Alright, guys. After this race, I think I'm gonna end the video there. But I will make a part 2. I will indeed make a part 2. Okay. Come on. Oh yeah, this bike is so overpowered. Wait, how's he gaining on me? How's he? Oh, he did a backflip? Well, that just slowed him down, bro. Stop showing off, buddy. Else you're gonna slow down, buddy. Oh, shoot. I can show off all I want because I'm cool. Backflip! See, I'm cool. Backflip again! See, I can do that stuff because I'm cool. But nobody... Like, his name is Bruiser, bro. You're not cool. He's not cool, bro. Bruiser? No. See? I'm so cool. I could do stuff like that. Yeah, see? Alright, guys. I think I'm gonna end the video there. Alright, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Bye, guys!